In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Agoda using your debit card. Whether you're planning your next vacation or booking a last minute trip, knowing how to navigate Agoda's payment system with your debit card is essential. Let's make this process easy and seamless for you. First, start by heading over to Agoda's official website. This will be your base for finding great deals on hotels and flights. Ensuring you're on the official site guarantees access to all the latest offers and a secure booking experience. Once you're there, find the sign in button. If you haven't already signed in, you can do so quickly using your Google account. This shortcut makes accessing your bookings much more convenient, especially if you often rely on Google for other services. After signing in, you'll need to head back to Agoda's homepage. This is where all the action happens. Here, you'll be presented with search options for your desired destination, dates, and preferences. So enter the details of your upcoming trip. Are you looking for a hotel, flight, or a combination? Whatever your needs, Agoda's extensive range will have something that fits. Once you've filled in all your preferences, it's time to click on the search button. This will generate a list of options tailored to your entered criteria, displaying everything from affordable to luxury options based on your input. Take your time browsing through the results to find an option that suits your needs and budget. Upon finding a suitable option, you'll come across the Select a Hotel Flight choice. Make your selection carefully, ensuring that it fits both your travel schedule and your budget. Now it's time to click on the Book Now button. This will lead you to a summary page outlining the details of your reservation. Double check all the information to confirm that everything is correct. It's important to be thorough here, as any discrepancies might affect your travel plans and potentially lead to unexpected charges. Next up is the payment process. On the payment page, you'll want to select the option to pay with a debit card. This section often provides multiple payment options, but for today, we'll be sticking with the debit card route. Enter your card details carefully. This includes the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code found on the back of your card. Make sure these details are accurate to avoid any issues with processing your payment, and that's it. If everything is entered correctly, your payment will be processed and you'll receive a confirmation of your booking. This confirmation usually includes details of your reservation and can be used when checking in at your hotel or boarding your flight. And there you have it, you've successfully paid on Agoda using your debit card. Enjoy the trip and happy travels.